Hey guys, Credible here, and I got my Hapog HD PVR. That's it here. I just got it in the mail there, delivered. I'm here with Susie, Staffy. So we got all these stuff. We got plug for something, disc, manual, and another wire for something. This is the big wire, like the plugs in the back. All the wires, and you have to have another wire, a separate wire. It goes into the PS3 or Xbox, whatever you've got. And the bit's going to there. I've got, I don't even know what this is. It's weird way to put them. So I just got it like 5 minutes ago in the mail. I'm letting Susie, I don't know where she went. That's what it came in. You get the PVR in there, the wires in there, everything else. That's the box. I thought it was going to be bigger, but it's still, hold on, still good. It's kind of like the game edition and that. So I'll be doing more videos, hopefully. Hopefully I can get it working, like really good quality. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and see ya.